Your transmission feeling like it just slammed into a brick wall when it shifts, or your speedometer acting like it is watching a tennis match, is a pretty clear sign that something is wrong deep inside the gearbox. If you hooked up your scanner and saw the code P0716, do not panic just yet, because this is a very specific issue related to the input or turbine speed sensor, a circuit range, and performance. Basically, your car has a sensor that counts how fast the input shaft of your transmission is spinning. It usually does this by reading notches on a spinning wheel or shaft, creating a magnetic pulse that tells the computer exactly what is happening. When the computer, or PCM, sees that this signal is jumping around erratically, dropping out completely, or just does not match what the engine's speed and output speed suggest it should be, it triggers this code. The scary part is that your car might go into what we call limp mode to protect itself, locking you into a single gear to prevent damage. This explains why you might be feeling that sluggish acceleration or incredibly harsh engagement. Now, before you go order a new sensor, you need to look at the most common culprit, which is actually dirty transmission fluid. These sensors are magnetic, so if you have neglected your transmission fluid changes, tiny metal shavings from normal wear and tear can stick to the tip of the sensor. This metal fuzz confuses the sensor, causing those erratic readings. So, your first step is pulling the dipstick. If the fluid looks dark or smells like burnt toast, you have a maintenance issue. If the fluid looks okay, you need to check the wiring. These wires live in a hot, harsh environment. Look for any melted insulation or loose connectors. If you decide to pull the sensor out to inspect it, clean the tip off and check the hole it goes into. Sometimes, just wiping away the metal debris clears the code for good. If you do replace it, make sure the new sensor sits perfectly flush. Even a hair's width of gap can mess up the signal. It is a precision part, but diagnosing it is often just about keeping things clean and checking your connections.